Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best website so you can earn a Litecoin from that website. Okay, let's jump to website. This is the website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. This website allows you to every 1 hour you can claim the faucet. This is the all faucet that they told you. Okay, every 1 hour you come here, click I'm not a robot, and fill the capture. This is both fill the capture and click verify and click claim. Okay, this is the best part. You earn your cryptocurrency. Okay, every hour you come here, roll it, and you can earn much more. Okay, every 1 hour. This is the timer. And this website have a best part, another part too, have short links. You can visit the short links and you can make much more crypto, like this one visiting is this much Satoshi. Every one of these have much more Satoshi you can earn. Okay, this is very fantastic. You just click one of these, this much Satoshi you earn. Okay, every day you can earn much more of these. If you work honestly, maybe you can earn 0.01 per day. Okay, every day. If you reach the amount, you can withdraw to Faucet Pay. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is 0.01. okay, and this is the minimum amount you can withdraw just in Faucet Pay. Okay, if you reach in this amount, you can withdraw your amount of Faucet Pay. And I told you about this website. This website come to 2080, and right now is 2020, and this website working very well. They pay much more. You can watch the sets, and this is the total referral from other people of the top country referrals. Okay, and you can this is very easy for registration. Click register. I told you about registration. Okay, first I log out my account, and this is very easy. Come down, and this is a total win, total withdrawal, and total claim. A lot of people come here, claim much more cryptocurrency every hour they force it to claim. Okay, this is the all proof from today or yesterday. A lot of people come here, register themselves, and didn't work, and they didn't earn much more. Okay, just work honestly, you can make much more. And you can refer your friends, 10% referral commission they pay you, and click register. Okay, the registration is very easy. Username, first name, last name, email, password, and confirm password. Choose male, female, and click registration. This one, register yourself. That was too easy. You come here, make a account, and start earning for this website. This website is very easy, and every day you can make much more cryptocurrency from this website. Okay, and you can watch short links and earn much more. Okay, you can manage your short links story, how much you watch, and you can refer your friends with your referral system. Click referral system. This is your referral link. Copy and paste to your friends, and they can come here and make account. 10% pay you. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my other videos that I share with you. Thanks and goodbye for now.